Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can see the history of the video files you have viewed on Facebook, as well as how you can manage them. First of all, we will check if Facebook is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Facebook. If there is an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied to the application. After that, open Facebook and click on the menu in the lower right corner. In the new window that opened, we need to click on the icon of our profile in the upper left corner. When the page opened, we should click on the three dots. A large number of options will open here, but the one we need is the activity log. We click. Here we can see various logs, but the ones we need are video watched. We click. Here we can see all the video files that we watched on Facebook. By clicking on the archive button, we can archive it, and by clicking on the trash button, we can delete the logs. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.